How to fix Samsung setting not opening. Hi guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix Samsung setting not opening on your device. So let's get started. On this process, if you are getting an error like this app is not running, so on that option you'll got two options like you can wait or close that app. So simply from there you'll have to just tap on that close option, and on the Android, after you close the setting app, it will automatically reset to this reset default, and now from there you will be able to open the settings from here. And if you are still facing that problem like you can't open your settings, you'll have to just restart your device. So simply you have to long press on your power key, and now from here you'll have to just tap on this restart button. So after you restart your device, you'll be able to fix that problem like Samsung setting not opening on your device. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.